Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear viewers, today I am going for the second tutorial on RAM structural system. In this tutorial, I will show how to draw column, beam, shear wall and slab. So let's start. We will define column and beam section. We will go to properties table. Here prop table, that means properties table, column section. We will write C 12 inch into 20 inch, and this cracked section factor, it is depending on the seismic zone and design code. I am keeping as it is by default. Geometry height 20 inch and width 12. Add another, I will add 20 by 12 by 24. Okay, then add. Okay, we will define beam section. Beam like grade beam, grade beam 10, sorry, grade beam will be 12 into 18, and this same crack section factor 18 with 12. Add. Then floor beam, we add 10 by 18, 10 by 21. Add. Okay, done. Now we will draw the column. We will go to layout, column, add on grid. We will provide our column on the grids because all the grids, intersecting grids coming from our columns. So we'll go to column, add on grid. Here you see standard column, hanging column. This is for floating column option. Now we will go for standard column. This is concrete strength 3.5 ksi, for example, and these are other factors, properties will keep same, and reinforcement 60 ksi, shear reinforcement 60 ksi will keep same, and framing gravity and lateral, two option. Lateral for making the frame moment resisting frame or moment frame, gravity for bearing the gravitational load. We will create some lateral framing later on. First we will create gravity framing because most of the columns are gravity column. Now this is the orientation, and we can make it this orientation also. First we will select this and we will create this type of columns. Fence means if I draw like this, then it will snap on all grids. Here also. Okay, now this and this, another column, add on grid, then I can change the orientation, same the properties, other things, and we can use fence. Single, if I use single, then it will snap to grid, and then I will click on it, there will be column created. So now if I want to change this snapping option, then I will just right click, then it will open again. I will click fence, then I can draw according to the fence option. So this is our columns. Now we can create beams. Press ESC. Before creating beam, we need to assign our section properties. Layout, column, assign size. From here we can do it, and from here also. This is the column symbol. Click on this, and here is the option size. We will assign size. I'll click on this, and I'll click on fence. This fence, then these two, and these two. Again I will do it, and I'll click on this, then I'll click single this, 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 and this one. All outside column I have assigned little bit the lower section. So now columns are modeled perfectly. Now we will create beams. We'll go to layout, beam, add on grid, add off grid. This means if you want to make a beam in the middle or from grid to 10 feet distance, then you can do it. Distance 10 feet, then this 3.0 KSI, and beam to beam. Okay, distance, angle, you can make an angle also. Beam to beam, distance, this, beam to beam, angle, and parallel to beam. Okay, 10 feet. Add. Here there is no beam, so first we will make a beam. Add on grid, 3 KSI, these properties, and this is reinforcement, then single. I am showing here to here. So this is beam. Then if we want to go for add off grid, parallel to beam, 10 feet, add, then click on this, and if we want to this side, then click on this side. Okay, here needs supporting beam also, single, here to here, here to here. Now another beam, single, here. Now we can create the parallel to beam, 10 feet, add this beam, then click on this side. So now this beam has been created outside the grid. In this way you can create the beam where grids are not available. Now I will delete the beam. I will model beam using fencing option. Okay, now go to layout, beam, add on grids. This is our properties. Click on fence. Now fencing, and fence. Now we will provide another beam. Add on grid, single, this, and this. So this is our floor layout, and now we will assign beam properties. Here if we click on this, and we can click on the size option to see the section, As we have not assigned the section, it is not showing the section name. Okay, now I will go for beam, assign size. From here also we can do it. Assign size. This is typical floor, that's why I will use floor beam. In the first floor we will, or ground floor, we will use grade beam. I'll assign this in the outside fence. Okay, this and this. Now assign section to a single, this and this. Now you can see the section. Okay, these are 18. All outside beams are 10 by 18. Now I can assign the inner beam size little bit larger. Fence, this, then this, and this. So our beam modeling has been finished. Now we can create shear wall. Here this side one shear wall, this side one shear wall, and inside one shear wall we will draw. So to draw the shear walls, we will not delete the columns, but we will delete the beams. Beam, delete, single, this one, and these three side we will provide shear wall. Now we will create wall, add on grid, shear wall thickness. Here it is available in the layout option, no need to go to the property table. So here it is the thickness, and this is the concrete strength. Other we will keep same as it is by default, normal weight. Now we can use single here to here, and so before this I will check the framing system, layout, wall, add on grid. This framing I will use lateral, because shear wall is mainly provided for taking the lateral loads, seismic loads and wind loads. So we will provide this framing as lateral. Single here to here, and if we use fence, then like this. Done. In RAM it shows little bit red offset to see here the presentation grid. This column we have shown, most columns we use gravity. For creating moment frame we use column beam as lateral framing system, as I have explained. Similar way of drawing columns, draw beam. We have done this. If there is shear wall in the building, draw shear wall lateral load bearing as lateral load bearing system. Lateral frame will show in red color in model to recognize it separately. Next, change some column beams as lateral frames as per requirement. Now we will do that. So here is shear wall, so this frame we can leave it as it is. This and this we can create moment resisting frame, this and this. So let's make moment frame. Go to property, layout, column, change properties. I will select framing. I will use lateral, then fence, these two column and these two column, this two column and this two column. So these red colors have been shown, so it is assigned that these are moment resisting member. Now we will create beams also, moment resisting member, layout, beam, change properties, framing, lateral, fence, this one, this one, this one and this one. Okay, done. See, the beams are also red, which are moment resisting frame. Now at last we will create our column. Okay, we will create slab. Layout, go to slab. First we will create the slab thickness. Concrete slab system level is 6 inch or for example 7 inch. Thickness 7, 3.0 as we have provided in beam. Same concrete strength we will use for slab. Okay, others are okay. Crack factor, this one. Here we can provide stiffness modifier and we can change the angle. One way use orientation. We'll add this one. Okay, now we will go for slab. Slab is slab opening, slab perimeter, deck assignment. So first we will provide slab. We can do it using slab edge. Here are some option. Whole perimeter we can provide slab. We can add graphically, we can change, we can move, delete, single, show, change as using fence. So there are a lot of options. We will first add, and slab overhang we will provide some offset from the outside beam to create overhang. Let's keep it 12 inch overhang and we will create add by snapping. Here, 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 sorry, layout slab, wall, foundation, layout slab, then edge, add this, add from here to here, then here to here, here to here, and here to here. Okay, done. Now our slab is completed. Here one balance, add one side this. Okay, now we will provide the slab area or slab properties. Go to layout, slab, decking assign, two-way. We can choose one-way option also, as it is all are one-way, two-way. We will provide two-way. Now this one select. Okay, as a whole floor or whole diaphragm. Diaphragm means the perimeter we have drawn, that is diaphragm. So I'll click on this and click inside the diaphragm. See, so whole diaphragm or the slab edges connected as or assigned as slab S7. So we want to create an opening in this shear wall area. Go to layout, slab opening, overhanging 0. Okay, add this, 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 and this. So done. So this is our slab edges, and this here is our opening. Here is a color, different color showing the opening. So in this way we can create column, beam, slab, shear wall and opening in RAM structural system. In the next tutorial I will show applying loads, then story definition like grade beam or ground floor, then first floor, and this is typical floor, and top one will be roof. So this floors assignment or definition I will show in the next tutorial with loading. So stay tuned, like the tutorial if you get benefit from it, and share the tutorials with your colleagues and friends.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.